So I have used iOS 27 beta 3 or public beta for about 10 days now. And I'll share the changes I have liked, the problems I faced, and whether you should install this update on your main device or not. Let's get started. We now get a slider to change the liquid glass transparency effect. We can either make it completely clear, just like how it was in iOS 26 release, or we can make it opaque. When we copy a text, we can directly paste it by tapping. The conversations with Siri are now saved in the Siri app. And we have image playground feature, using which we can generate an image just by describing it. Let's ask it to generate an elephant in beach and see how much time it takes to generate that image. Also, I have made a comparison video of ChatGPT image generation and Siri AI image playground generation to see which one generates better image at a faster pace. The image has been generated and it did an okay job. The volume for alarms, ringtone, and media are now finally separate. In the camera app, when you use a particular feature, there is a yellow border around it when the feature is active. Now we can access accessibility settings within the settings. In my iPhone 16 Pro Max, the iOS is taking about half a gig more compared to the iOS 26. And system data is about the same. It fluctuates according to the usage patterns. My battery health is still at 100% after 242 cycle count. And I'm getting similar battery life to iOS 26.5, sometimes a bit lower. Maybe the screen active time is glitched out because it is quite low compared to what I'm getting in iOS 27 public beta release. For the most part, the performance, heat management, and stability is actually better than iOS 26.5 for the most part. But at times, there are frame drops, and sometimes it has unusual heating issues as well. A simple restart fixes the issue. So, should you install the iOS 27 public beta? I would simply suggest you to wait for the developer beta 4 or the second public beta release of iOS 27 because I'm using 16 Pro Max and even then I have noticed unusual heating at times and frame drops. Please drop a like if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.